Alright, we are here at the entrance to Maple Lake or Maple Bench Campground, as you can see on the sign right there. And this road that we come up to get to this point, it can get a little tight in a couple spots. So coming up with my smaller trailer here wasn't a big deal, but if I had a big fifth wheel, man, that might get hairy. Now this is what's going to be a little bit interesting. Maple Bench Campground is only 0.3 miles, but not recommended for trailers. So what I'm hoping here is that it's not recommended for big trailers, especially where it's 0.3 miles from the campground. I'm going to go for it. Let's go see it, check it out. Bench Campground is a nice campground here. It is just dirt road the whole way around in a little loop here. 8 campsites, and we are in number 8 right here. This one, and I think there's about 3 total that are back in, big enough to fit a truck and a trailer. So even though the road said trailer's not advised, you can definitely fit an RV up here. It's basically just like a one-way road though. So if it's you and somebody else coming head to head, hopefully you're both not trailers. So. As far as the campground itself goes, there's a dumpster, there's a couple water spigots. Let's see if it's turned on here in mid-May. Oh yeah, not threaded though. You would need a water bandit to take advantage of that. And we do have some restrooms. Which, that is a very well kept restroom. So we're going to get settled in here and possibly take the bikes off the back, go for a little ride, have some fun. Alright, now this is pretty slick about these campsites. They've paved in around the picnic table and fire pit, and they've got a grill over here. I'll tell you what, that's pretty nice. We will definitely be enjoying this later tonight. Questions, everybody.
I'm in bed.
Hey, turn it back on.
No.
Alright, quick question for everybody. Is this campsite worth it?
Yeah.
I guess that means good night. We'll see you tomorrow. Yeah, bacon's good. Alright. Well, we had a nice, cool 60-degree evening, and that's it for this campsite. We are going to head out to
Waterfall.
Waterfall. That's right. Do you guys think it's a big waterfall or a little waterfall?
Medium.
Medium?
Yep. You can't hear
All
the
right. Let's go find out. Alright, just a little bit up the road from the turnoff to the campsite is the Grotto Falls Trail, which this guy gets a little free ride, but lots of parking here for it. And this is the main trail right here, so we're going to go find some waterfalls. That's a wrap for the Grotto Falls Trail. Perfect little half mile, really easy trail to go on for the end of your weekend camp out at that campsite. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll catch you on our next adventure.
Why is the license plate say bacon?
Because bacon is tasty.